Welcome to Loomdex. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to create your account step by step. It only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. When the app opens, tap Next to begin the registration process. You're now ready to set up your account. First, select your country from the list provided. Take a moment to make sure it's correct. Then, confirm your agreement by checking the box. Once everything looks good, slide the button to continue. Now, enter your email address. Be sure to use an active email that you can access immediately, as this is where your verification code will be sent. If you were referred by someone, carefully enter their referral code exactly as provided. Double-check your information before moving forward. When you're ready, tap Next. A 6-digit verification code will now be sent to your email inbox. Open your email and locate the code. Enter the 6-digit OTP exactly as received. This step confirms your email address and helps secure your account from the very beginning. After entering the code, proceed to the next screen. Now it's time to enter your mobile phone number. Make sure the correct country code is selected automatically. Carefully type your number and review it before continuing. Accuracy here is important, as this number may be used for security confirmations and important updates. Once confirmed, tap Next. You'll now create your password. Choose something strong and secure, ideally a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After setting your password, continue to the next step. You're almost done. Next, connect your Telegram account. This allows you to receive important alerts, updates, and activity notifications directly and instantly. Tap to connect and authorize the link. Finally, enable notifications to stay informed about your delegations and account activity in real time. This ensures you never miss an important update. And that's it. Your Loomdex account has been successfully created. Welcome to Loomdex, where delegation is designed to be simple, fast, and efficient. Your journey starts now.